Chapter 2. Endogenetic Movements. Read the following news. Observe the photograph and answer the questions. Can you tell what caused the large-scale casualties? Answer: earthquake caused the large-scale casualties. What was the magnitude of the earthquake? Answer: the magnitude of the earthquake was 7.9 and 6.6 Richter scale. Which country was the most affected by this earthquake? Answer: Nepal was the most affected by this earthquake. Where was the epicenter of the earthquake? Answer: the epicenter of the earthquake was at Lamjung, Nepal. Which are the other affected areas? Answer: India, Bangladesh, Pakistan, Tibet, several cities of Bihar, West Bengal, Bhutan were affected areas. At what depth was the focus located? Answer: the focus was located at the depth of 11 kilometers. What kind of damage is seen because of the earthquake? Answer: because of the earthquake, damages are caused to many lives and wealth. According to you, what could be the reason behind the earthquake? Answer: the reason behind the earthquake is the movements below the Earth's surface. Have you ever experienced a similar earthquake? Discuss. Answer: no. Various natural elements occur on the Earth from time to time. Example: floods, storms, snowfall, extreme rainfall, etc. Similarly, because of the movements below the Earth's surface, natural events like earthquakes and volcanic eruptions occur. For the organisms living on Earth, these events are disastrous. There is loss of life and property because of natural calamities. In this lesson, we will get introduced to these endogenetic, that is, internal movements. Try this. As shown in figure, arrange your notebooks on each other. Place 3-4 objects like chalk, duster, sharpener, eraser, etc. on them. Now, quickly take out a notebook without affecting the others. According to figure, observe what happens. Discuss in class. The objects above the books will move slightly but remain at same place. Try this. Arrange the notebooks and keep chalk, duster, sharpener, rubber, etc. on them as in previous step. Now give a slight push to the structure and observe what happens. Then again, give a hard push. Observe what happens. Carry out a discussion on all these activities. Due to slight push, nothing will move, but by hard push, there will be vibrations that will cause the objects to move. Geographical explanation. Earthquakes and volcanoes occur because of the instability of the interior of the Earth. This instability is created due to the movements occurring in the Earth's interior. Generally, the movements in the Earth's interior occur in the upper layer of the mantle. Tremendous energy is released by radioactive materials in the mantle. These energy waves travel from one place to another. Due to such a flow of energy, instability is caused in the mantle. The movements are classified on the basis of their velocity, direction, and the landforms they produce. Classification of internal movements. We have the basis of classification and movements. 1. Velocity. A. Slow movements occurring continuously like formation of mountains and continents. B. Sudden movements in the form of events like earthquakes, volcanoes. 2. Direction. A. Horizontal movements. B. Upward, Downward movements. 3. Landforms. A. Continent building, creating continents, plateaus, and highlands. B. Mountain building, folding, faulting. Slow movements. The effect of slow movements can be seen in the form of formation of mountains and continents on the Earth's crust. This can be explained as follows. We have the effect, pressure and tension. In pressure, the direction of wave movement is waves moving towards each other. In tension, the direction of wave movement is waves moving away from each other. Effect on hard rocks. Pressure is fault. Tension is fault. Effect on soft rocks. Pressure causes folding. Tension causes fault plane. A. Mountain building movements. Orogenic. Try this. Activity 1. Take a 30 centimeter long paper strip. Place your hands on both the ends of the strip. Move both the hands towards each other, giving pressure on the strip. Observe what happens to the strip. There is fold in the strip. Geographical explanation. In activity 1, the strip was moved by placing hands on both ends. The work performed on the strip at that time is called compression. Pressure was given on the center of the strip from both the ends. As a result, the strip moves and folds are formed. Similarly, due to pressure on the Earth's crust, movements are generated and folds are formed. Fold mountains. Energy is transferred from the interior of the Earth. Because of these energy waves and pressure working towards each other and in horizontal direction, the layers of the soft rocks form folds. If the pressure is very high, large-scale folds are formed and their complexity increases. As a result, the surface of the Earth gets uplifted and fold mountains are formed. The Himalayas, the Aravallis, the Rockies, the Andes, the Alps are the major fold mountains of the world.